This is 8-year-old Gracie in the emergency department with her mum.
Why are you here, Gracie?
They fell and slammed my foot.
Anything else?
I was wearing a tobacco onesie.
A Chewbacca onesie? We need to see this.
Gracie was watching a rugby match at her local club with her mum and dad.
Nice selfies.
It was a chilly afternoon, so she was wrapped up warm in her bunny slippers and...
Her Chewbacca onesie. So cool, Gracie.
It was an under-20s international, Wales versus Ireland, and you couldn't take your eyes off the action-packed drama.
Well, apart from the fact that poor Gracie couldn't see a thing.
So she climbed up onto the seat for a better view. But it flipped up, trapping Gracie, and her foot slammed into the floor. Ouch!
A Chewbacca onesie is amazing.
Thank you.
Is me borrowing it totally out of the question? Yes, of course it is. Gracie needs a Jedi Knight in shining armour, but we'll settle for Dr. Joe Howard.
Dr. Joe takes extra special care because Gracie was born with a foot condition called talipes, which means the movement in her ankles and toes is limited.
It hurts there.
That's where it hurts, okay. I think it's probably worth us getting an x-ray of that foot.
I like X-rays.
You like it?
Who doesn't love an X-ray?
Where's the X-ray?
Behind you it is.
What are you doing, Xand?
I'm being Yoda, obviously.
You haven't got any socks on, left shoe off for me.
Shoes and socks remove you must.
Oh dear. Get ready for your close-up, Gracie.
The X-ray results we know not.
Enough with the Yoda impression, Xand. Bring the doc in.
No breaks.
Yay!
We don't need to do anything, it's just the usual. Painkillers if it's sore. Take it easy. Okay.
Any message for that pesky seat, Gracie? You told it. Bye, Gracie.
See you soon.
Bye, Gracie, and may the Force be with you.